Welcome to my workshop. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make these beautiful cherry blossoms for a cherry tree. I'm also going to be showing you guys how to make a cobblestone path that is all applique. For the walkway path, I actually found some material that is just rocks material over at Joann's, but I don't like how it pops up out of the material, so I'm going in between each little line and I am doing a zigzag brown stitch over the top of it. I'm just using a brown thread for this. Doesn't matter what, just as long as it matches just a little. I've actually gone ahead and already traced out the material on our transfer paper, and I've cut it out and ironed it and did a little zigzag stitch over the edge of it just to hold it in place. This cute little pink fabric on Amazon, and I am putting the most colorful part down on top of the iron. Then I have my transfer paper that is the sticky side. The sticky side I'm gonna iron to this side. Once I've gotten this ironed on, I am taking my scissors and trimming off any of the excess material, and I am discarding it. Then I am cutting them into little squares like this, long ways. I'm gonna do this to all the fabric. Then I'm taking it and folding it in half, cutting, folding in half again, cutting, and then I do that till I get them into, each square is a square that is tiny like this. Once I get to this point, I am taking my scissors and I'm shaping it into the size of the petal, and I just judge how big the petal is and then I size it down from there. So I've cut up the petals and they're in this bag, and now I've gotten just a slightly darker pink, and I am cutting out tiny little circles that will go with our inside of our petal. So I'm taking my little petals and I'm putting them on these white squares, just in a 5-some. And I'm making sure that the sticky part is down on the bottom. Then I'm ironing it down along with the little red center. I've gotten all of those pieces put together, I am just doing a zigzag stitch over all the raw edges. Once I've gotten the zigzag stitch done, I'm just taking my scissors and trimming off all the excess material around it. After I've sewn on the cobblestone, that's what it looks like with the materials with it. And after doing the cherry blossoms, I've only done some of them, but that's what they look like right there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this. This is one of my latest projects that I've been working on, and it's taking a little while, but I wanted to show you guys the whole process. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos on my progress on this quilt. See ya! Bye!